Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you all are having a beautiful Monday. Today, I just wanted to create this video to share with you value-add stock plays that can make significant runs in the remaining Q3 and Q4. First ticker I wanted to share with you is Vaxart, VXRT. Today, there was news how the FDA had cleared its investigational new drug submission, IND, based on the characteristics of S protein using its oral tablets to combat the SARS-CoV-2 virus. What's interesting is that the data is showing that it has significant benefits over the risks implications. And this is positive news because come with time, we shall see IND convert to a NDA submission, which is new drug application, which is a pre-market submission to the Food and Drug Administration once you get through the phases of clinical trials to demonstrate safety and efficacy. From a share price standpoint, today the share price ran by about 11%, and that's huge news. However, that's not going to stop here because investors are really looking for value add plays. The fact that the Delta variant is evolving and there's new mandates for wearing masks, that just tells you that, hey, this whole degree of seasonality isn't really kicking in because we're in summertime and the infection rates are going up. So that's why I firmly believe that the share price will start catapulting up to the prior resistance of like $25. So let's not lose sight of Vaxart and the value it can bring for you. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Skye Bioscience. This is a biotechnology company based out in San Diego where it leverages cannabinoids intended for glaucoma patients. In fact, its preclinical trials data has demonstrated superior reduction in intraocular pressure. That's a leading cause for glaucoma. And we know in the coming weeks, for example, in 2 to 3 weeks, we shall hear neuroprotection data come out on its THC VHS program. And I'm looking forward to seeing that data because once the data demonstrates top line results, that's going to be a big time game changer. And I firmly believe it's really going to get buy-in from large scale institutions. And for those reasons, the share price is going to start catapulting up to the $1 share price range. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Innerscope Hearing Technologies, INND. This company has received OTC Pink compliant in the prior week, and now it's just a matter of executing on its business strategy. I firmly believe that if you hold this up through Q2 of 2022, we shall possibly see 40 cents beyond that possibly. So hold on tight because we know that there's an increased demand for hearing aids, and the fact that the company has got clearance from a financial side with the SEC as well as being a registered established FDA entity through the Food and Drug Administration, that just tells you that now it's ready to gain on huge positive proceeds. It's definitely undervalued at 1 cent at this time, and it can catapult up to like 40x from my perspective. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Riot Blockchain, RIOT. While Bitcoin is continuing to run now, there's a degree of correlation with companies like Riot Blockchain gaining on huge gains as well. And my forecast is that the share price will appreciate up to a prior resistance of $70. We know that in Q2, the company had mined so much Bitcoin, increasing its throughput quarter over quarter. And that doesn't stop here because we know that digital currency is the name of the game in the future. And for those reasons, Riot Blockchain will continue to take off from my perspective. So let's not lose sight of the value it can bring. Next ticker I wanted to share with you that I think is currently undervalued is Enzolytics, ticker ENZC. This company is focused on adding value in the glaucoma, in the HIV AIDS sector, and with its business strategy attempting to distribute all around the European markets, that just tells you that it's really going to gain on positive return on cash flow, and from a share price standpoint, the value will start increasing and its milestones will be reflected in the share price. It prior had a resistance value of close to 95 cents, and where it currently is at right now at 16 cents, it's definitely undervalued. You can gain on like 4 to 7x from my perspective. So overall, these are the tickers I wanted to share with you, and I hope that this video added value. I appreciate you stopping by to watch another episode here at All I See Is W. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content. Thank you so much. You all have a great evening. Goodbye.